Imagine an itch so deep it turns into burning pain, making every step feel like walking on broken glass. For millions, this is daily life, caused by a nearly invisible parasite, the jigger flea. This tiny creature can rob children of play, adults of work, and families of hope. I remember David, a young boy whose feet were covered in sores. He couldn't run, wear shoes, or even walk without agony. His family tried everything, but nothing worked. The pain in his eyes was unforgettable. The culprit? The female jigger flea, burrowing into his skin to lay eggs. The body fights back, causing swelling, itching, and severe pain. This isn't just a bite, it's an infestation, a living invader inside the body. But there's hope. A simple, careful action can end this suffering. Learning the right way to remove the jigger can restore movement, hope, and freedom. For David and countless others, this skill is life-changing. It's not a complex medical procedure. Anyone can learn it. Understanding the enemy and knowing how to remove it safely is the first step. With the right knowledge, a life of pain can become a life of possibility. This is the crucial first step toward a jigger-free life. Every safe removal is a victory over pain. It's a story of hidden suffering, but also of hope. The battle starts small, but the impact is huge. Let's see how this tiny enemy works, and how we can defeat it. The jigger, or Tunga penetrans, is one of the world's smallest fleas, living in dry, sandy soil and dusty floors. The male bites and feeds, but it's the female who causes real harm. She burrows headfirst into soft skin, often between toes or under toenails. Inside, her body swells with eggs, leaving a tiny hole to breathe and release them. This process, called Tungiasis, triggers swelling, itching, and pain as the body reacts. If near a joint, movement becomes difficult. Under a toenail, the nail may deform or fall off. The open wound can invite dangerous infections like tetanus. Over 2 weeks, the female lays over 100 eggs, which fall to the ground and hatch, repeating the cycle. After laying eggs, she dies inside the skin, leaving a sore and a dead parasite. Without proper care, this leads to chronic pain and infection. A single jigger is never just one problem, it's a serious health threat. Understanding the jigger's life cycle is key to step, but with knowledge, we can stop the cycle. Let's learn how to avoid making things worse. When pain strikes, many try to squeeze the jigger out, hoping for quick relief. But squeezing is dangerous. The flea's fragile body bursts, releasing eggs and fluids into the skin. This causes more pain, spreads infestation, and triggers severe inflammation. Using unsterilized tools, like pins or thorns, adds risk of infection, sometimes leading to cellulitis or even tetanus. Squeezing often leaves parts of the flea behind, causing chronic wounds. The cycle of pain and infection continues, all from a well-intentioned mistake. The more you squeeze, the worse it gets. We must break this cycle. The key is gentle, complete removal, not force. Safe removal stops pain and prevents new infestations. Let's see how it's done the right way. Safe jigger removal starts with preparation and patience. Gather sterile tools, a surgical blade or needle, gloves, antiseptic, cotton wool, and soapy water. Wash your hands in the affected area thoroughly. Apply antiseptic to kill germs and prevent infection. Let it dry before starting. Carefully widen the jigger's breathing hole with the sterile blade. Don't cut the flea. Gently ease the jigger out, avoiding pressure on the egg sac. Remove the entire parasite in one piece like a tiny pearl. Check the wound to ensure nothing is left behind. Clean again with antiseptic. It may sting, but it's vital. Cover with cotton or a plaster to keep it clean. Keep the area dry and clean for a few days. This simple process prevents infection and stops the cycle. Anyone can learn this life-changing skill. Safe removal is an act of healing. Safe removal brings instant relief. Pain fades, itching stops, and healing begins. By removing the parasite whole, you prevent eggs from spreading and break the cycle of reinfestation. Clean wounds heal faster, reducing the risk of dangerous infections. Children return to school, adults to work, and families regain hope. The scars left behind are reminders of victory, not suffering. When one person learns safe removal, they can help their family and community. Knowledge spreads, empowering everyone to fight jigger safely. Communities become networks of care, protecting each other. This is how lasting change happens. Share this skill. Teach others the safe way. Every safe removal is a step toward a jigger-free future. Together we can end the suffering, one safe removal at a time.